Hey there, Josh Dickoff with Practical Revolution, and we are here at the Fredericksburg construction site for these small houses. Let me show you what we're doing. So we have done some painting and we have one roof complete. And we painted before putting the roof on, so that it's way easier for the painters. We just tape the windows and they can go to town with the sprayer. So this is just 5 of the 12 houses in the first phase. The others are up on the hill. You can just barely see that one through the trees. And that's it for now.